Hey, welcome back to another video of Programmer Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your password of Codecademy account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in codecademy.com and click on Enter. You will be directed to an official page of Codecademy. Also, make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, at the top navigation bar under your profile section, click on it. Now click on Account Plus Billing option here. After that, you can see Password section here. Click on Change button. Now type in a new password on this field. You need to confirm your new password on this field here. Now type in your current password on this field. After that, click on Save button. So that is how you can change your password on Codecademy account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.